We're looking at this question, resolve into partial fraction. So question one, it was question one, look at the degree of the numerator is 3. If you expand this one also, it's also power 3. So the degree of the numerator, um, degree of numerator is equal to degree of what? Denominator. Okay. So in that case now, what do we do? We carry out polynomial division, and that will be equal to s cubed minus s squared minus 3x plus 5. Okay. Can we expand this these two? X minus 1 into bracket s squared minus 1. So this one times this one, that's s cubed. This one times this one, that's minus x. This one times this one, minus x squared. This one times this one, that's plus 1. So we're having x cubed minus x squared minus x plus 1. Okay? So the only number we can use to multiply this so that the first item will be x cubed is 1. So 1 times this, that's x cubed. 1 times this minus what? X squared. 1 times this minus x. 1 times 1 plus 1. Subtract. Okay, so this will be 0, 0. This will be minus 3 minus x. That's a minus 2x. And then 5 minus 1, that's a plus 4. Okay. Then you now realize that you can't go further again because you can see this one now is lower to what? To this one. So our question will now become minus 3x plus 5 all over x minus 1 into bracket s squared minus 1 be equal to the quotient 1. Then the remainder here, that's minus 2x plus 4 all over this one, which is what? S cubed minus s squared minus x. So we now have our question minus s squared minus 3x plus 5 all over x minus 1 into bracket s squared minus 1. And that will be equal to the quotient, what we have here, then plus the remainder. You can change this one to what? 4 minus what? 4 minus 2x. 4 minus 2x all over the divisor. That's the denominator, which is f3 minus x2 minus x plus 1. And that's equal to 1 plus 4 minus 2x all over. Don't forget that this one is the same thing as what? X minus 1 into bracket what? S squared minus 1. Okay? So then this fraction now will now resolve into what? Partial fraction. And that will be 4 minus 2x all over x minus 1 into bracket s squared minus 1. And this is equal to 4 minus 2x all over x minus 1. This one is the difference of 2 squared, which will be equal to what? X minus 1 into bracket what? X plus 1. And that will give us what? 4 minus 2x into bracket x minus 1 squared into bracket what? X plus 1. So we now have 4 minus 2x all over. We can write this one first, x plus 1 first, then followed by x minus 1 squared. And that will be equal to the linear factor, which is a over x plus 1 plus This one is a repeated factor, so it will be b over x minus 1, then plus c over x minus 1 square. Okay. So multiply through by this common factor, multiply through by x plus 1 times x minus 1 square. So that will be 4 minus 2x equal to, here to be a, x plus 1 we cancel, and then we have x minus 1 square plus b, x minus 1 we cancel, so it remains x plus 1 and x minus 1. Then plus c, x minus 1 square we cancel, then we just have c into bracket what? X plus 1. So that's what we have there. So let's make let x equal to 1. Let x be 1. If x is 1, this will cancel, then we can get c. And that will be 4 minus 2. For the left hand side, 4 minus 2, that's 2. Then we have c into bracket 1 plus 1, that's 2c. So c is 1. Yeah, c is 1. Then let's look for another variable. F equal to minus 1. This is minus 1. Minus 1, this will go. Minus 1 plus 1. So this will go, this will go. So s equal to minus 1, then we have s equal to minus 1. Let's. That will be equal to 4. That will be 4. That will be 4 minus 2 into bracket minus 1 equal to a into bracket minus 1 minus 1. And that will be 4 minus times minus, that's plus 2 equal to a into bracket minus 2 squared. And that will be 6 into bracket a 4. So a is what? 3 over 2. When x is minus 1. Then the next one we can do now. What else again can we pick? We can pick any value for x. Let it x go to 0 because we've gotten just need one unknown. So let x be got any value you like. Let x go to 0, but make it small value. And now we go to 4. 4 minus 2 times 0, that's 0. Then first one we have a into bracket 1. Then b into bracket 1 minus 1. Then c plus c. Yeah, plus c. So a value we have it 3 over 2 plus minus b. B also, do we have b? B is minus b, but we have c plus 1. This is 4. So 4 minus 3 over 2 minus 1 equal to b, equal to minus b. Move this one to this other side. Move this one to other side. So you have 4 minus 4 minus 3 over 2 minus 1. That's 3 over 2. So b is what? Minus 3 over 2. The conclusion will now become your question minus s squared minus 3x plus 5 all over x minus 1 into bracket s squared minus 1 equal to what's the division? I think we have 1 plus 1, okay, 1 plus 1 plus a over this. Our a is what? What do you get for a? 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 over x plus 1, then plus b. Our b is a minus 3 over 2, minus 3 over 2 over x minus 1, then c. C is 1 over x minus 1 all square. So and that will be equal to 1 plus 3 over 2 into bracket x plus 1, then minus 3 over 2 into bracket x minus 1, then plus 1 over x minus 1 all square. So that's the answer we have. Yeah, that's the answer we have. Yeah, question 2. This question resolve to partial fractions. So this will be equal to 7 minus 2 over x plus 1 into bracket x minus 2 squared. So this will be equal to, this is a linear factor, and that will be a over what? X plus 1, then plus b over x minus 2 is a repeated factor. So we write the first one, then followed by the second one, x minus 2 all squared. Okay? If it's a repeated factor, you do the first one, power 1, power 2. Okay? Then the next thing to do now is to multiply through by this common factor, the denominator here, the 2. And that will give us 7 minus 2x into brackets. Here, this will go, and we have a into bracket what? X minus 2 all squared. Then plus, this one will be b into brackets. It will remain one of that here, because we are having 2, and then x plus 1. Then plus, this one will cancel, and we have c into bracket what? S plus 1. Okay? So, I'm multiplying through by this denominator. So what do we do now? Let x equal to 2. Let x equal to 2 so that this can cancel, and you can get some, this also can cancel, you can get c. That will be 7 minus 2 times 2, that's 3, equal to, this we cancel, then we have 2 plus 1, that's 3c. So c is what? 1. Okay, next value, let x equal to minus 1. Let x equal to minus 1. Then we have 7 minus 2 into bracket minus 1 equal to minus 1, this we cancel, minus 1, this we cancel. Then we have a into bracket what? A into bracket x minus 2 all squared. And this will be minus, that's plus. That's 7 plus 2 equal to a into brackets minus 1 minus 2. And that's minus 3. This is 9. This is minus 2 minus 3 squared. That's 9a. So a is what? A is also 1. It's 1. Then what can we use again? One we use, we can pick x equal to 0 and get the value. Let x equal to 0. Let x equal to 0. Then we have 7 equal to a into brackets minus 2 squared plus b into bracket minus 2 and 1 plus c. So this will be 4a, and a is what? A is 1. A is 1. This is by minus b minus 2. B is okay, it's what we are looking for, and then c is 1 plus 1. This is 7. So that will be equal to 7 minus 4. Move this on to the other side. Then minus 1 equal to minus 2b. So this will be equal to 7 minus 4. That's 3 minus 1. That's 2. So b is what? Minus 1. So final answer will just be equal to 7 minus 2x all over x plus 1 into bracket x minus 2 all square equal to, my a is what? My a is 1. My b is what? Minus 1. So to change it to minus here, 1 over x minus 2. Then plus c is what? 1 over x minus 2 all square. So let's start on that.